We all know that kawun is a must-have thing in our Awurudu table. So whatever the things are there, our Awurudu table is not completed without kawun. Therefore, we have decided to make Athirasa today. We are going to make all Awurudu sweets in coming days. So don't forget to subscribe our channel to get those videos. Now let's see what we need to make Athirasa. We need 500 grams of rice flour, 300 grams of sugar, 25 grams of fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons of salt, rice, all-purpose flour, coconut honey that is optional, and oil for deep frying. Here as the first step, we need to prepare kapli for Athirasa. So for that, you have to put cracked rice into your frying pan and fry it until it becomes light brown. After that, fry fennel seeds also around 1 minute and grind it well. Thereafter, we need to make sugar syrup. For that, put a small amount of sugar into the pan and let it melt under medium heat. Also, don't forget to stir this continuously. When sugar comes to this stage, put 1 cup of hot water. Then add remaining sugar, add salt and stir well to combine. Then cook this under medium heat until it becomes to the right level. When sugar is bubbling, get a small amount of this sugar syrup to the spoon and pour it like this. If it is coming down like a thick line, the sugar mixture is ready. Then you can get half cup of the sugar syrup and keep it aside. We can use this when adding flour. Then add coconut honey to the remaining sugar mixture and mix well. Switch off the flame after around 1 minute. Now add fennel seeds and cracked rice. Then we need to add rice flour little by little and mix. Here don't add all rice flour at once. If you do so, it will be difficult to mix flour with the sugar syrup. Now add all-purpose flour and mix. adding all flour, touch this mixture from your fingers and see whether it is sticky. If it is not sticking to your fingers, that's the correct level of the mixture. Thereafter, we need to apply some oil in a tray or a board like this and transfer your flour mixture into this. Then put a small amount of this mixture to your pan and put water. Mix this well with the leftovers and cook until it becomes a thick liquid. Then put this into your flour mixture and mix it thoroughly until it becomes smooth and nice. Now you can prepare a banana leaf like this to keep kawung once they are prepared. If you can't find a banana leaf, you can use oil papers for this. Wet your hands with little bit of coconut oil and then start making kawung. Now make small flour balls like this and keep them on the banana leaf. Once you are done with making balls, press these balls like this and make kawung. Put these kawung into oil one by one and cook them well. When you put one kawung, wait until it comes up to put the next one. Otherwise, they may stick each other. Once kawung becomes golden brown, get them out from oil and keep them on a net. Now do the same for the rest of your mixture. When you store your prepared kavum, place a dish or a small cup in your basket like this and then store Athirasa around that cup. We do this because Athirasa kavum has more oil than other kavum. If you just store them, the kavum which are in the bottom will absorb more oil. How about trying this recipe at home this time? And also, if you use some other ways to make this recipe tasty, just comment here and share with us. To view more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit like for this video also.